Alright guys, Railroad Commission of Texas primary Republican. Christian has 47%. Stover has 15%. Slocum has 14%. Summers has 11.9%. Tipton has 1.5%. After this, I'm going to take a break. I need to get indigestion stuff in my throat. So anyway, in Anderson, Christian has 39%. Andrews, Christian has 37%. Angelina, Christian has 66%. Aaron says Christian has 30%. Archer, Christian has 43.3%. Armstrong, Christian has 44.3%. Antacosta, Christian has 35.6%. Austin, Christian has 40.7%. And Bailey, Christian has 52.4%. So this is for the Railroad Commission of Texas primary county results for the Republican. And this is our results. So yeah, break time. Bye bye.